Hi there, what's your name?
My name is Emma. What about you?
I'm Liam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. Are you a student?
Yes, I study biology at university.
That's interesting. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. And you?
I'm from England. Do you like living in Australia?
Yes, I love it. The weather is great.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak English and a little French.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading books and going for walks.
What's your favorite book?
I really like The Hobbit.
Oh, nice. Do you play any sports?
I play tennis sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I like football.
Cool. What's your favorite food?
I love burgers. What about you?
I like pasta the most.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
Cute. I have a dog. His name is Max.
That's awesome.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Me too. I like pop and rock.
I enjoy pop music as well.
What do you usually do on the weekend?
I usually relax, meet friends, or watch movies.
Sounds fun. What's your favorite movie?
I love Frozen.
That's a great movie.
Thanks. Well, I have to go now.
All right. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Bye.
Bye.